Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. One closing announcement before we get started. We'll be closed Sunday, April 17th for Easter. So don't forget, have a great day, okay? It should be nice weather. Okay, now to get started, we have a new program to tell you about. It's a yoga for beginners or any level, it doesn't really matter. And it's going to last for 6 weeks, starting on Wednesday, the 13th. And it will be in the community room. Now, it's going to start with adults and teens from 9 to 10, and then for children from 10 to 11. So you need to wear loose clothing, bring a towel or a yoga mat, and you will need to register beforehand. So please come and try it out. Now going into the teen department. They have DIY crafting on the 11th, which is a Monday, and they're going to do glass etching. And on the 18th, Irish soda bread with homemade butter. Ooh, that sounds good. And then on the 14th, which is a Thursday, there's movie night, and the 21st is game night, another Thursday. All these programs are in the community room from 6 to 8. Registration is required. Don't forget about our second Tuesday Lunch and Learn. The next one will be the Best Friends Animal Society. They'll come and speak to us. So bring your lunch and come listen. Now, continuing with our library snapshot for the month of April, I have a few more to show you. We have fishing poles, and they're provided by the Arkansas Game and Fish. Come check them out. We have iPad stations for the children, and there's a new section for oversized nonfiction books. Come check them out. There's also a local author collection. The larger of our two rooms that you can reserve is the Friends of the Library Community Room. It has this awesome projectory system that you can use, so reserve it. The other room is our Glotzbecker room. And there's a telescope that you can borrow. You do have to sign a borrowing agreement. We have laptops, computers, and a charging station for your cell phone. We have all this tax information to help you do your taxes, and we have more forms in the foyer. Just come and grab them. And we have 3 study rooms, and they're first come, first serve. They're great for doing homework, having a meeting, tutoring, whatever. Now, don't forget, we're closed Sunday, April 17th for Easter. So everybody have a safe and wonderful Easter Sunday, and hope to see you in another couple weeks. Bye.